Come on in. You're always welcomed at Memaw's house. Today, we're making blondies. Welcome back to Memaw's house. You see, I'm in the kitchen, of course. And we've had some snow over the past week or so, and our kids have been out of school. So today they had to return to school. Not too happy about that. So if you know, like I know, and you've been in that position where you had to be out of school for a while and then you got to go back, you need something comforting, warm, and delicious for when you get back home. Today I'm going to make some blondies so that my grandbabies can have something warm and delicious. Now, you may not have any grandbabies at your house, but you may want something warm and delicious and cozy, something comforting. Let's make some blondies. Let me get my apron on and we'll get to cooking. Here are the ingredients that we'll be using to make our blondies. And of course, that list will be down in the description box. The ingredients include a stick of butter or half a cup of butter, a cup of brown sugar, and I'm using light brown sugar, 1 large egg plus an egg yolk, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, a cup of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then I will add in 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. This recipe not only results in a warm, delicious blondie, but it is easy to make. Now we'll start by melting our butter. That's one of the most easy parts, is that you don't have to pull out the butter to soften it and all of that stuff. You simply melt it in a saucepan over a high heat. So let's go ahead and get that done. I simply want to make sure that this butter melts. I'm not trying to brown the butter. I just want to melt the butter. Now I've stirred my butter the whole time it was melting, but I wanted to make sure I didn't have any extra pieces, large pieces that didn't melt. I'm going to pour it into my mixing bowl and let it cool. Now let me go get my other utensils that I left in my baking cupboard so that I can go ahead and finish this blondie. So in a small bowl, I'm going to crack my eggs. Put 1 whole egg in, and then in my handy dandy egg separator, I'm going to separate the yolk from the white on this egg and just add the yolk into our bowl. Now I'll beat these slightly just so that they'll be ready to go into our mixture. Now that the butter has cooled a little bit and I have my eggs whipped a little bit, we can go ahead and add our sugar. And I'm going to add the cup of sugar and get it mixed in with the butter. Now to my butter and sugar mixture, I'm going to add my pinch of salt, which measures out to half a teaspoon of salt. And then to my bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add my vanilla. And once I get my vanilla in, then I'll be able to mix my wet ingredients all together. Now that the wet ingredients are done, let's go ahead and get our dry ingredients together. And while I'm doing this, I just want to take this time to thank y'all and to let you know how thankful I am that God placed you in my life. I am so blessed to have such a great community that follow me here at Memaw's house. You make pleasant comments, kind comments, and you're always there when I'm posting a video. So I really do appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free and it does me a lot of good here on my channel because I'm trying to grow my channel. I've actually gotten to 10,000. So we're going to keep growing together and I appreciate you. Now I'm going to add my eggs to all of the rest of the ingredients. And once this gets mixed in, I'll fold in my chocolate chips. And this is making a really smooth batter. And of course, if you want a 9 by 13 pan of Blondies, go ahead and double the recipe and use your 9 by 13. But this will make an 8 by 8 pan of Blondies. Now in go the chocolate chips, and I'm going to just fold them in and get the Blondie batter into my prepared pan and into a 350-degree oven. Okay, it's in the pan and going into the oven. Like I said, it's a 350-degree oven and we'll bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, y'all, so my Blondies are in the oven and it's almost time for the babies to get out of school. It only takes a few minutes to mix this up. You saw how quick it was because I'm on lunch break and I got to get back to work. So I'm going to wait for them to arrive and then I'll show you what we're doing this evening. You like it? Mm-hmm. Good. And now we're going to play 10 to win. Yep. All right. All right, I'm going to try me a little piece. And then I'm going to beat them at 10 to win. It's a little game we like to play. That's good eating. It makes you warm and cozy, even with the ice cream. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. And I'm going to win the game. Y'all be blessed. Bye.